How to use Pantry Pass in Bingo Blitz game. So let's get started. In Bingo Blitz, Pantry Passes are special items that help you complete dishes in the Chef Moxie's kitchen feature by providing missing ingredients. And now here is how to use them. These passes are particularly useful when you are just one ingredient short of completing a dish. You can obtain Pantry Passes by completing quests and events within the game. Now how to use it? Number one thing to do is access the kitchen. The kitchen is just right here, now select it. For now you can see I haven't reached level 25 to unlock this. Now you can only unlock by reaching level 25. After opening the chef, simply choose a dish you wish to complete. If you are missing any ingredients, they will be highlighted. Then tap on the missing ingredient. If you have an appropriate Pantry Pass, you will be prompted to use it to obtain the missing ingredient. And finally, you can complete the dish. Once all ingredients are gathered, proceed to cook the dish and earn rewards. And that's it. This is how you can use Pantry Pass in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.